In front of me is HUAWEI Honor View 20, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app, then tap on the settings icon right here, and you will notice timer. So just mark it and select the preferred option, so you can choose 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick the longest one, and now if you grab a photo, you will see the 10 seconds delay. And that's it. Afterwards the picture will be grabbed, and if you'd like to turn off camera timer, just click on the settings, select timer, tap on off, and now as you can see the picture is taken with no delay. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.